Hi guys, it's me, I'm the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Let's make these pork meatballs with a Thai peanut sauce in the air fryer, guys. Super easy. Oh, uber delicious. This is a great appetizer or, a meal. Before we do anything, if you would sub please and turn on the notification button, I'd really appreciate it. Let's do this. We're gonna steep a bag of black tea until it's really dark in this cup, okay? We're gonna use this to thin out our sauce. And we're gonna need up to 3/4 cups, so make sure you have enough, okay? I have a cup of peanut butter in this bowl. I'm gonna add half a cup of that hot tea. As you can see, it's nice and dark. We need it to be hot, guys. This is gonna thin out the peanut butter. All right, I want this to be a little thinner, so I'm going to add a little more tea. That's good. That's how I want it, guys. I'm gonna add 2 minced garlic cloves and 1 red chili pepper, which I minced as well. The chili pepper can be a green jalapeno if you want, doesn't have to be red. I'm gonna grate in a teaspoon of ginger. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of lime juice. 1, 2. 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of oil. I'm using avocado oil. Use whatever oil you want. Finally, we're going to use fish sauce. This smells really bad, guys, but don't get turned off by the smell. It's going to make your sauce perfect. And we're going to do 2 teaspoons of that. I'm gonna mix everything. Taste it for salt. Oh, it's perfect. All right, let's make our meatballs. We're gonna use 1.5 pounds of ground pork for our meatballs. If you would rather not use pork, you can go ahead and use beef. That is fine. Also, if you want to make less, just adjust, okay? It's fine too. I'm going to add 3 minced garlic cloves to this. I have 6 whole scallions, which I trimmed and chopped, the whole thing. Dark, light green, and white, okay? I'm going to grate about a teaspoon of ginger into this. The reason I'm not just mincing this ginger, guys, is because it's very has a lot of fiber, very stringy. So I don't want that inside my meat. I'm going to add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. We'll add some black pepper to this and some salt. Now we're gonna mix it. All right, now we're going to make meatballs, and we want them all to be about the same size, okay? I got 20 meatballs. I would like you to pick them up and make a little indentation at the bottom with your thumb. I'm gonna use my Thai Vol air fryer today, and first thing we need to do is preheat it. We're gonna fill the basket with 1 layer of meatballs. I might have to work in batches. They actually all fit in just fine, so perfect. This is one of the things I like about this machine. The basket is so big. We're gonna cook this on beef for 15 minutes at 350. Check these out. Aren't they beautiful? I just love the air fryer, man. No mess, all the oils at the bottom, nice and brown, perfect. This is how I'm gonna serve this. A little bit of the sauce in a little plate. I'm gonna scatter some red chili peppers, obviously optional, and a little bit of cilantro leaves. Is that pretty or what? So let's taste this. See if I can do this without making a huge mess. This is hard, guys. Food acrobatics. Wow. That meatball, oh, it's so tasty. You have that little hint of ginger, that turmeric in there, the scallion, and then of course you have this little sauce with the fish sauce in it, and the ginger, tons of ginger. Oh my gosh. I hope you make this. I think you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you soon.